This is the exponential problem we are going to tackle today. So let us get started. So we are going to apply two laws of indices here. For the first time here, we are going to apply 8 power mn is just equal to 8 power m. For the second term here, we are going to apply 8 power m plus n is just 8 power m dot 8 power n. So we are going to apply these two laws. So applying them into our equation 1, we are going to have 2x squared plus 2x times 2 to the power 1 is equal to 80. So we have 2 to the power x here, we have 2 to the power x here. So let me replace 2 to the power x by any variable. You can call it any variable. I prefer to call it y. So I will say let y is equal to 2 to the power x, and I will call this my equation 2. So this is the key step in solving this question. So by replacing 2 to the power x with y, you turn the problem from exponential problem into a quadratic problem. So we have 2 to y is equal to 80. So this is a quadratic problem. What are the two numbers that if I add will give me 2, and if I multiply will give me minus 80? That is plus 10 and minus 8. So I will have y squared plus 10y minus 8y minus 80 is equal to 0. By factorizing, I will have which means y minus 8, y plus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore, y is equal to 8, or y is equal to minus 10. So this is the solution of y, but I want pi x. So from 2 here, you see y is equal to 2 to the power x. But 2 to the power x, this statement is also crucial. 2 to the power x is positive for all x is real. So that means 2 to the power x only corresponds to the solution of y that gives us 8. So therefore 2 to the power x is equal to 8. Therefore 2 to the power x is equal to 2 to the power 3. Apply another law of indices that says if you have 8 power m is equal to 8 power n, because they have the same base, then m will be equal to n. So it means our solution x is equal to 3. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to our channel.